Problem 11. Business is a little slow at Lou's Fine Shoes. So Lou decides to have a sale. On Friday, Lou increases all of Thursday's prices by 10%. Over the weekend, Lou advertises the sale, 10% off the listed price. On Monday, Carla buys a pair of shoes listed at $40 on Thursday. How much does she pay? The choices are $36, $39.60, $40, $40.40, and $44. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Raise Thursday's price by 10%. Take 10% off that. So Carla pays $39.60, choice B.